good. Don't need that under you. There's a nice little baby. You're noisy. That one's no good. That one is beautiful. That's all we got left. More. I'm sorry. Alright. Well, you got 4 healthy little eggs under there. Try to keep them alive. What are you guys doing? What are you doing in the yard? Where's Diamond? Oh, hey Dee. My little retiree chickies. Pee-wee, go away. You got little man syndrome. Go on. Leave my girls alone. And here's my other little retiree. She has chosen to stay in the coop, though, for the last few nights, which is fine. Hubby. Hey, guys. All my big girls. Going out to count some eggs that I'm supposed to be hatching soon in February.